Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Waretary toilet brush cleaning silicone bristles. It's the toilet bowl brush and a holder for our bathroom toilet. And on top there are 32 pieces of sticky hooks contained ventilated quick drying base, a toilet brush sticky hooks combination in white. It's also available in grey. The brush for the toilet cleaning. The toilet silicone brush, that's the brush head. It is soft and can be bent freely. And the bristles are made of TPE materials, which is soft and easy to clean. And the usage feels light, which is easy to clean gaps and dyed corners. And it's multifunctional use, suitable for all kinds of toilets, in addition to other home cleanliness, such as cleaning bathtubs, bathroom sinks, bathroom floors. And the awesome design. Ventilated and quick drying base. The toilet brush base has two styles: suspended or floor mounted. Skeleton bathroom decor. If you are mounted on the wall, it's really cool because you can clean underneath easily. Durable and effective protection. The flex toilet brush, the soft bristles can protect the toilet from being damaged during scratching. The toilet brush handle is made of rust-proof and waterproof PP silicone resin. The no-gaps junctions handle prevents the infiltration of the sewage and is durable. And of course, 32 pieces of sticky hooks contained. It can be used in bathroom, kitchen, indoor, and of course outdoor too. Decoration, etc. The hook paste is suitable for a variety of surface pastes such as brick, glass, metal, wooden, doors, and up to 10 pounds per utility hook is possible. That, I think, it's really cool because this makes this set more bigger and more awesome. Style is simple and elegant. The Waretary toilet brush. It adopts elegant and fashionable design methods to provide high-quality tools for household bathroom cleaning. The small and exquisite design, the multifunctional placement method saves space. And we use it easy to clean brush heads and materials to solve the problems to conventionally cleaning of dead corners, and we have a good home. Oh yeah. We have anti-slip and lightweight handle. The PP silicone material, rust-proof and non-slip handle design will not rust after a long time. And it is easy to hold, making cleaning easier and of course simpler. And effective and durable. The brush head is soft and can be bent freely, and the bristles are made of TPE materials, which can be used flexibly, improve cleaning efficiency, and it will not easily wear and change the shape, and we can make a deep cleans. The brush can clean gaps and dyed corners and get a better cleaning effect. And the bottom unit, air permeability and quick drying. With a clever ventilation design, the ventilated and a quick drying base, and it enables the brush to be dried faster. And of course, on top the hook in the bedroom, for example, self-adhesive hooks can be attached to the bedroom, hang backpacks, pendants, and other items, up to 10 pounds per utility hooks. And hooks in the kitchen, for example. Self-adhesive hooks, it can be attached to the kitchen and hang waterproof clothes and other kitchen supplies on it. And of course, you can attach the hooks in the bathroom. These self-adhesive hooks, which can be attached to the bathroom wall to place the toiletries and towels, up to 10 pounds. Yeah. And we can clean the bathtub with it. The toilet brush is multifunctional and can be used to clean bathtubs, sinks, floors, etc. You can make with that Waretary toilet brush what you like. We give shower a fabric of home and we enjoy a comfortable life. That's really cool. A comfortable life is every time cool. And this brings us to us. The Waretary toilet brush cleaning silicone bristles toilet bowl, brush and holder for bathroom and toilets. With on top 32 pieces of sticky hooks contained. The Ventilated quick drying base, a toilet brush sticky hooks combination in white. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.